Just going back to Pasha, I've just remembered something because of I'm a consultant now this morning. Ithandwa zami idlozi liyakwazi ukukubanga. Liyakwazi ukukubanga. Uthola ukuthi ubangwa umndiki nomndawo wakho noma ubangwa umndawo wakho nomndiki wakho orubangwa abakababa nabakama. So generally overtane ucreate indawo yakho yokuthandaza, kufanele uliphahlele ukuthandazele lokho ukuthi where do I pray in my house, because uyokuthola ukuthi sometimes uthandaza endaweni wrong mase ngahambi kahle, uvele mawujala umthandazo uvele uvuke ulaka uhlezi uthethe kanti fanele ucela uyithobe. Uyabona nje ukuthi ku wrong lapho. Generally I would say start with your mother's side, which is your left hand side in your room. Ne? And then ask them, is that the right side? If not, then go. They will tell you which side they want. Nekhandlela lakho molshisa mal ndiza kakhulu ngaka left iside la kama, mal shaya kakhulu ngaka right iside la baba, uyalisusa ulibeka ngeside la baba. There are people abazokwakha indumba or iroom, let's say iroom uthi indawo yakho yokuthandaza nanani ivelishe, very common, bayayishisa bayinqonqise phansi. And you must ask them why, because sometimes nenza yonke into yenu kuleyo ndlu. Mangithi yonke into yenu ufika uthandaze, ufika abantu abaphalisayo noma nawe uthatha indisho uphalaze khona, ugqume khona, ucabe khona, kanti no, khona idlozi elinamanono abafuna indawo yakho yokuthandaza kube indawo yakho yokuthandaza. Mase kube khona enye room or enye induba, especially mawukuthi uyalapha ngomelaphi osebenzela kuyona, or even nje umuntu wesintu abathanda ukuhlanganisa izindlu. So it doesn't mean because it's your bedroom they are agreeing ukuthi indawo yakho yokuphahlela leyo. Ask them. Uyothola sekusha marketing, kusha izinto or amakhandlela akho kwenzela amafilimu because idlozi liyakubanga. And you'll even pick that up in your dreams. Kanjani na uyothola uma wakho nobaba wakho baqhubuzana bashayana emaphupheni sometimes if they are both late. Or uthola umkhulu wakho akuthethisa sentabeni ungayizwa leyo nto. Why? Because abanye benu are only allowed, especially manine banendlela ninamawa nineyintaba noma hlala ehlathini ninoma hlala edwaleni or ninabalozi. Mawunabalozi isikhathi esiningi iroom lakho alifani ophahlela kulona, kahle hle fana ube ngaphandle emaweni or emadwaleni. Sometimes abanabalozi bezwa ngaphandle elwandle. Some use shells, some use whistles to respond and to understand. Some use horns to respond and hear and understand. Bazonkhombisa. So when you are praying and you start dreaming of stones, they means they want those stones. Just like just like you dream of your beads. If they show you stones or they show you shells or they show you horns, go and get them. It means that you'll be able to pick them up clearly. Just like you can take a shell and put it in the ear and hear the ocean and the sound of the ocean. The same thing with the horn. They will show you which animal horn do they want, which animal is their totem, and which animal comes close to, and what do you do? Do you take that horn and you put it here like Zulu? Maybe no. Maybe you take that horn and you put it on your bedside. Awazi. So don't copy and paste into ubona abanye abantu. Ask them. Uze ungashelwa izindlu, uze ungashelwa into zakho, uze kungaphunyuki ukuphethe. Ask them. Abanye bazothi qala mawugida let's say uhlala ku forum, mathi mawugida hamba ugida dining room, mawuthandaza hamba uthandaza ekamereni encane, balalele ubezwe uthi bathini. Mabathi makuduma wena uvula umnyango uhlala ngaphandle uyabalalela, hlala phansi balalele, ulalela ngezinqe. Because uyothi ulala kanti bathi hlala phansi uhlala ngaphandle ubalalele, ushawe izulu lele or ushawe inyoni stroke uvunga emini ngo11. Yabo. So listen to them because bayakwazi ukukushaya because bayakubanga. especially let's say uyingane ekhule ngesintu wahamba wayosindiswa kanti awuyenzanga imbeleko. Hamba uyoyenza usuna 30, hamba uyoyenza usemshadweni uphindele uyoyenza imbeleko. Ukuze into zakho ihambe ngomumo, idlozi lakho ligade. Sithokoze amakhosini amakhulu. Sithokoze kunina enbiziwe, sithokoze kunina nihamba neshingishangi zomoya. And futhi speaking of ishingishangi zomoya, munazo zizokuvusa ekseni lisivula ifastela ngoba ifuna ukungena. Nilalele. Ne? Yanibalalela abantu beni. Akusho ukuthi uma ulalela idlozi fanele uyothwasa, fanele ube yisangoma, fanele ube isiyoni, fanele Some of you were just born with the gifting because nazalwa nembethe, whether you guys believe ukuthi unesu intshontshile into yakho or kwanza njani njani, muzalwa umbethe. My honest belief and my experience. Like God's promises are yes and amen. Akekho umuntu ongantshontsha into yakho successfully ingabuyi kuwena. Kuyobuyiselwa Nkosi yami, kuyobuyiselwa 10 times more. 10 times more to 1,000-fold more. Yabo? Ziyobuya nje into zakho. Okwakho. Claim it, receive it, understand it. Sithokoze makhosini amakhulu, aveni bahle.